Yeah, it's a... Wow, look at that. Is that a GTR?
Yeah.
Damn.
Do you like the car? You like the car? You want to get inside?
Oh my God. I want to get inside. Oh my God, this car is like amazing.
Only for kids.
Come on. Let me go outside. Oh, come on. God.
Don't step on it.
I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy.
This is the best looking GTR I've ever seen, period.
My friend, you did a good job.
I'm not lying, man.
Yeah.
I mean, you Liberty walked it?
So it's actually went to SEMA. Right?
Okay,
So
okay.
he's the fourth owner of this car, right?
Okay.
But they kept the same wrap. Same wrap. This wrap is only for this car. He tried to get it on a different car. They're like, no, it's only for this car. And the body kit, it costs $40,000 for the white body. Just the body kit.
I love it. I freaking.
Okay, can you guess? I know it's a show car. Can you guess? Usual GTR comes with like 550 horsepower, right?
Okay.
Can you guess?
I'm gonna say 1,500.
Man, why you guys so went too much? Like, everybody says 8 or 9. Why you went? Yeah, 1250.
1250.
Okay.
1250.
Damn.
I believe it.
Damn, I thought y'all everybody else said like 6 or 7.
We know.
We
That's why I came over here, man. That's why I came over here. Come on now.
It costs about $2 grand. 200,000.
Man, I'm telling you, it just gives me chills.
Yeah, I'm telling you,
my
it does. Why do you think
God.
I'm sitting over here?
I
I'm like, I see all the cars, but I want to sit right here.
Oh man, this is just.
Now let's just get inside. Come on.
Are you serious?
Yeah, come on.
You want me to take my shoes off?
No.
You're serious?
Get in, brother. There it is. Yeah. Don't step on the lid, but you don't.
Oh my gosh, oh, I'm sitting in a GTR. Check this out. Oh my God, this is insane. Oh, dude, yeah. Oh my God.
Okay, I'm gonna show you one more thing.
Okay.
You see this? It's called like. So there's called Mach 1, Mach 2, and Mach 3.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So when I tried it on the first time, they tried Mach 3. The guy that built this, it was so fast that I had to puke, and I got out.
This is absolutely. This is amazing, man.
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude, this is amazing.
It's not me. It's my friend's car. It's
Well,
right
either
here,
way.
Yeah.
Oh, that is sick.
You guys want to see the trunk?
Yeah. This is insane. This is insane.
This is why it's slammed.
Oh.
How much horsepower?
1,250.
Jeez. Dude, this is
They got a bunch of money in this car.
beautiful. This is, I mean, this is everything.
Not the back, but it's not.
I gotta tell this guy thank you. Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you. You made my day, man.
Yeah,
You
man,
made my
too,
day.
man.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, man. We all know cars.
Jeez.